footage you guys just saw was the event from Shipwreck Cove this past Friday. We hosted a meet down here in San Diego, and it was an amazing turnout. Tons of people, tons of really cool cars that I hadn't seen before. It just feels so good that California car culture is back and people are out doing things again. So I just want to say shout out to anyone who came to the event. Super fun. But major but here, I did get a phone call from Dan, who owns the fish tank shop, and unfortunately, because a few select individuals were speeding off, revving away, two-stepping, all those types of things, essentially the meet is officially shut down in that location. So that really sucks. You know, I feel really bad personally for the people who really enjoy coming to these events and drive. Some people driving hours to come out and meet everyone and just see all the cool cars and all that stuff. And now we can't do that because some people are revving it around and racing around like idiots. So please just stay at home if you're planning on doing that kind of thing. No one cares that your car is loud. I got one more announcement for you guys. Now, a lot of you probably at this point heard us talking about Throttle VIP, but many of you, I think, don't know about all the benefits and awesome features that we've added over the past couple months. So I wanted to touch on that real quick. Now, first and foremost, Throttle VIP members get 10 to 40% off of our website. Whether that be on car parts or merchandise, you're getting discounts, you're getting hooked up way below other websites. You also get 5x entries on all purchases. So for every $1 you spend, you get 5 entries, which is pretty awesome. You also get entries automatically with your membership too. So if you just want to sign up, you don't have to buy anything extra, you get automatically entered to win each car. In addition to that, you also get access to the VIP only Facebook group where we're doing live streams, extra content, behind the scenes, early access to merch drops, all that kind of stuff. Everything goes to the VIPs first. It's like this awesome club, and it's really fun. Honestly, the Facebook group is really fun, and all the guys are in it on a weekly basis. Did I mention that Throttle VIP annual members also receive these awesome merch boxes filled with a ton of gear and stuff from our partners and friends? Last but not least, if you are enjoying our content and you really want to support us, Throttle VIP is the best place to be, and it is the best thing that you can do for us. So we really appreciate you guys who have joined already, and if you are a VIP member, please comment below right now. Let's blow this thing up and let people know how awesome the club is. It's a really cool community of people, and we really do appreciate anyone who considers signing up. So if you are interested, check out the link in the description. I'll toss it in there, and like I said, it's a great way to get those entries in to win the Mustang as well as any future car that we plan on giving away, which if you stick around to the end of this video, you might just find out what the next giveaway car is. So thank you guys. Now it's time to take a couple people for a ride in the GT-R. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Throttle YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Evan, and this is my 2010 Nissan GT-R. Now, what you just saw me pouring in was some of that Sunoco Fun Juice, the E85. It makes the world of a difference on this car. So this car was just dynoed by Delicious Tuning, did 620 wheel horsepower. I realized this morning when I pulled into the shop that there's quite a few people who have never been in this GT-R, let alone any GT-R. What I want to do is take a couple people for a ride and see what their genuine reactions are. So let me go inside and we'll see who wants to go get a ride. All right, so here we go. If you don't know, this is Tim. So Tim has been working for Throttle for several years now. He actually started as a Throttle brand ambassador. Now Tim is gonna be joining us full-time in July, which is exciting. And you just told me you've never been in a GT-R?
Never been in an R35.
Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna turn on the fun mode, R mode.
Don't kill me, Evan.
What is the fastest car you've ever been in?
Probably Ricky's FD.
Okay, that thing is pretty fast. I think that's like 500 horsepower to the wheels.
Holy! Oh my god! What the heck, dude?
It's like a rocket ship, isn't it?
Oh my! I can just feel like it's. That's almost scary. You just get like sucked into the seat. We literally went to light speed right there. Oh, here we go again. Oh my gosh. That is just insane.
So what'd you think, dude?
Dude, okay, that was crazy. Honestly, I was not expecting it to be like that. I was just like, I had tunnel vision when Evan pinned it. Yeah, I'm excited to be on the Throttle team full time coming up, and hopefully I'll see some more of you guys.
Who's next? Rick?
Rick's next.
Rick's next.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
Every time, dude, puts such a smile on my face. It's like
that is
stupid.
insane.
Yeah.
It's just like ruthless acceleration. Like your head gets completely pinned back against the seats. There we go again.
Traction.
Oh my god. Yeah.
All right, that was a ton of fun. Now it's time to get serious because I just talked to Calvin and found out that he wants to sell the Supra. He wants to part ways with the Supra that he crashed.
Calvin hydroplaned his Supra and he said he hit the wall. He told me he's okay. Could this be him right here? Yeah, it is. No.
And I think it would be a cool project for us to take on kind of our first crashed car. And I also think that it might be a pretty cool giveaway car once the car is done. So let's get over to SOS Customs. I'm gonna go ride with Mickey and Victor, and let's go check out the car and see how bad it really is.
All right, we're here at SOS Customs, and what I didn't tell you guys, we're actually here to pick up my new car that I haven't told you guys about yet. It's a little slightly used, but it's very unique. And here we have it right here on the street. No, not this BMW. Pontiac Aztec, limited edition.
That's our new car.
Yeah, that's the new car.
Ah.
Probably one of the worst looking cars ever made. Good job, Pontiac.
You're gonna offend somebody with that.
The Pontiac Aztec Facebook group.
Heisenberg edition. These are my seats. I thought they were gonna be done already. Oscar.
It looks perfect right here, okay?
Great. It's perfect. It's ready to go. What is that? That's a piece of bread?
That's bread.
What is this?
Oh, okay.
Calvin!
I told you it was perfect.
Pop the hood.
Oh, it's actually a lot worse than I thought.
It is.
It is.
Pretty bad.
Wow. And the MagnaFlow
Got into
too.
this.
There goes the street hunting wing.
Little Bondo.
What do you call this?
Set
Toe?
up?
Oh, that's pretty crumpled, isn't it? Yeah. And the airbags did not go off.
No, it must have hit the sweet spot.
Then-
It didn't hit the, you know, the sensors.
Okay.
As far as the shift, because I don't feel like this was that hard of a hit. Are you seeing like these gaps here? They look the same. Do you feel like that got shifted at all? You don't think the impact closed this side down at all? It didn't transfer all that over to here.
No,
It
no.
basically
Kind
contained
of
everything to
contained
that
everything
corner.
there.
So this is the only damage. He didn't hit the front or anything? No.
It look, I mean, it just hit,
Oh.
it kissed that,
He
and it
smacked-
must have like just
smacked
pushed it, and then it pushed them away.
And then this obviously you don't replace, you fix this.
So they're gonna cut all that out.
You cut this out and
As
replace
he
this
just said,
side.
when they order this part,
It comes with that whole bottom.
So what's gonna come is that the quarter panel, you can see how it's sectioned off here, but it won't come with this.
Yeah.
This is the rear
That'll have
body
to be
panel.
straight.
Either we can strain it or get that new rear body panel.
This worries me a little bit because obviously the wheel took a decent amount of force here.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, but the wheel took the force. That's the important part.
Well, and some
the
arms, right?
suspension. Yeah. So like the whole, what we noticed once we got in there was pretty much doing pretty much that whole suspension part, everything, like everything, lower control arm, upper control arm, tie bar,
So
like everything.
I don't care about any
and
of
that'll
that
bring
crap.
it back.
That's
you know?
all. You're right. So that's all interchangeable parts. The
Yeah.
thing I'm worried about is the pickup points.
for the subframe.
Well,
Yeah.
wherever
everything
each
bolts
arm
on.
picks up
Yeah.
on either the chassis or the subframe, are those intact? Are
Yes.
they moved? Are they pushed? Can they be pushed back without creating a weak spot?
Yeah.
That's the critical stuff for me.
Oh, that must be a Toyota thing, right? Is that a Toyota?
Here's your light. put
that's good.
Just
That's
put
so
a lens
good.
on it.
Fly ride, can you help us with this?
So I mean, you can see how it buckled, you know, all inside here. Check it out.
Yeah, I see. So that's the inner. All this through here is all trash.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but
Bonus, it runs.
Thank you. We'll be in touch. I'll let you know what Calvin says.
Hopefully,
I'm taking this bread though.
It's time to call Calvin. I think we should get it.
Well,
You got a second?
yeah, I'm good. What's up?
Okay, so we just saw the car over at SOS Customs, and it's pretty rough, but I think I want to make you an offer, sir.
Oh,
Are you down?
you're calling me about that.
Yeah, are you down? I would like to offer you.
Offer me.
I would like to offer you $.
$.
Yeah, come on.
No, absolutely not.
No?
No.
How much do you want? Calvin, let me offer you $1,000 for the car. Will you take that?
Oh. That sounds
Cash
good.
money. What'd you say? That sounds good?
That sounds good.
Let's go! Supra owners, let's go, dude. All right, well here, I'm excited. I want you to be a part of the project. I think it's gonna be pretty cool bringing it back to life, and
Yeah, absolutely.
we'll bring it back to life in a major way. So, sweet. All right, well, let's meet up, and I'll give you some cash, and we'll sign some paperwork, and we'll start this thing. Let's go.
Let's send it.
Let's go. Thank you, sir. Talk to you soon.
Alright.
All right, bye. That's it. Yes. All right, guys, that is it. That is the news. Thank you so much for sticking with us all the way to the end of this video. Very exciting, very excited to finally take on a Mark V Supra project. And this one's cool. Calvin gets out of the car that he no longer wanted. We got into a car. It needs a lot of work. It's gonna be a lot of fun. About to call TJ about a Street Hunter wide body kit. We'll get with the guys at SOS Customs and pick out a pretty cool color. I think we're gonna do a color change as well. So exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to anyone who has purchased performance parts or merchandise or even joined Throttle VIP. We really do appreciate you guys, and it's because of you guys that we're able to do all these awesome things and bring you guys the content on a daily basis. I know we don't say it enough, but I just wanted to say thank you for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking, everything. And if you are a customer, thank you as well. We appreciate you guys more than you know. So thank you guys so much. We'll see you in the next one. Later.